network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful? Well,
Sorry guys, hindi kasi maganda yung quality. Ayan.
thousands of others have failed. The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy, with inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the Matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the Matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the Matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yan, ang galing po ng sales tour funnel natin. So, good morning everyone. This is Girly. Ako po ay nandito sa California. At, sana ba yung slides? Yan. Okay, welcome po sa mga bago pong invites. Present ko lang po ito. Kita na po ba yung slides? Okay na, Coach Tan?
Yeah.
All right. So, Live Good is our company launching in your city the membership club that pays. Okay. So, Live Good, guys, is a subscription company offering their members privileges to save up to 75% less price compared to other compared to our competitors' brand. So, si Live Good po, we started from wellness product, but later on we will add more products. Okay, so 200 to 300 products, sabi ni CEO, in 2 to 3 years. That's his goal and his mission. Okay, last September 14, we reached already 700,000 members worldwide. And imagine, guys, in just a week, ito po yung nag-rank. 4,000 bronze, 500 silver. So it means to say, napakarami po ang nag-join sa Live Good. It's 20,000 plus every week po. So this is our corporate team. Of course, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, he is our formulator, product formulator. And Lisa Goodkin, she is our health educator. Wife po siya ni Dr. Ryan. And also Nader Kazan, he is the director of network marketing. So Live Good is a digital business, guys. We are an online business na pwede po inyong gawin electronically with any gadget and can be done anywhere, anytime. So ano po yung mga examples ng digital business? So examples are coaching, online coaching, website designs, podcast, and e-commerce store. So si Live Good po, nabilong po tayo sa e-commerce platform. We are actually located in Jupiter, Florida. Dalawa na po yung warehouse natin doon. And then more warehouse coming sa ibang part ng world, like sa Germany, meron na po tayo, and they're planning one more in Nigeria and also in the Philippines. So it's coming very soon. And also here in Live Good, once you remember, meron po tayong tinatawag na personal shop. Kasi doon po ninyo, yun po yung ibibigay ninyo sa mga customers and clients po ninyo. And of course, yung meron po tayong mga ibang links na pwede po nyo magagamit sa business. So our product started from wellness product, and it's very in demand. And then we have a global market. We are available outside USA. And also, we are here paid weekly and monthly. So Live Good po ay isang drop shipping program also. So it means to say po, hindi na po tayo stock dito ng mga inventory ng products, no monitoring, and automatic po yung shipment. Pag nag-order po sila doon sa shop link ninyo, si Live Good na po mismo ang magsisend ng product. So wala na po tayong intindihin sa stocking of products. Yung ibang drop shipping program, just lately ko nalaman na kayo po pala ay maglalabas din ng pera dyan para to fulfill their order. So, hindi po maganda yun kasi maglalabas pa kayo ng pera. Here in Live Good, wala na po. Just share your link. No need to stock product, and then si Live Good na po ang mag-send ng mga products. Okay, so Live Good is a membership platform. So, it means to say, meron po tayong babayaran dito na $9.95. So, but wala po tayong mga product packages. Once you join, you're not required to buy any product packages. No monthly auto ship. Yan yung mga product, wala po tayo dyan. No monthly auto ship of product. And no volume required na kailangan para mag-rank po kayo dito at saka mag-participate sa affiliate compensation plan, and no quota also. So ano po yung mga subscription company? Ginagamit na po ito ng mga companies, yung like Costco, Netflix, Shopify, Amazon, Zoom. Itong Zoom po natin, may bayad po ito, $14 monthly. And also, of course,
15.
15. So, si Facebook, meron na din po siyang subscription every month, di ba po? Nakikita nyo yung may mga check na sa Facebook. It means nagbayad po yan sila ng $15 monthly. So, dito sa mga subscription company po, wala po ito silang referral program na when you refer somebody, magkakaroon po kayo ng income. So, here in Live Good, we have a referral program na kahit mag-refer po kayo, meron po kayong incentives dyan. At also, when you build your team, mas malaki pa po yung incentives na makuha ninyo. Yung pinagkaiba po natin dito sa Live Good. So, how much cost involved when you start Live Good? So, one-time affiliate fee of $40. One time lang po talaga ito. And then, monthly subscription of $9.95. So, wag lang po talagang kalimutan yung $9.95 kasi yan lang ang requirement ni Live Good to be active here in the platform. And also, ang inclusive doon sa $50 na binayaran ninyo, you will get 50% discount as a member. And also, meron po kayong mga replicated sites. And then, e-commerce shop and marketing funnel. And of course, you can participate in the affiliate program. So, ito po yung mga examples ng mga link natin. So, sales funnel, ito yung tour link. Ito yung bibigay po ninyo kung magbi-business sila. Corporate link, kung yung prospect or yung customer po ninyo ay gusto lang magkaroon ng discount ng product, pwede po silang subscribe sa $10 monthly. And then, of course, they can cancel anytime if they like. Kasi nga, ito wala itong income. Di sila magkaka-income kung ito yung link na ibibigay ninyo. Hindi sila magkaka-income dyan. But they can get discounts, okay? So, ang shop link, ito po yung ibibigay po ninyo kung gusto lang nilang mag-shop. Ayaw nilang mag-member dito sa Live Good. Ayaw nilang magbayad ng $10 monthly. So, ibigay nyo po yung shop link. Of course, this is the selling price. And then you get the retail profit dyan sa store link natin. And then Super Reds, meron tayong separate website. And then Super Greens, meron din. So, other website is coming soon, especially sa mga products. So, yun po ay magandang tulong po sa lahat ng mga affiliates para sa marketing. Okay, so we started from wellness products. Ito po yung mga products natin. At here, meron tayong weight loss. Yan, iba-iba po. And then, our products are made in USA. And we have the GMP manufacturing seal, GMP seal. So it means to say, yung mga products po natin are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Yun po maganda dito sa Live Good. And of course, some of our products are really certified organic, like yung Super Greens, Super Reds, at saka coffee. So meron talagang nakalagay sa bottle na certified organic. And other products are of highest quality. And we have third-party laboratory, yung ALT. And doon po sa site natin, makikita po ninyo yung certificate of analysis ng mga product. Okay? Nag-start po si Live Good December 13, 2022. So, 9 months na po tayo. Magte-10 months na po si Live Good since from the start. Okay, our mission is simple. To help people get healthy and still healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, napapamura po tayo dito kay Live Good, which is indeed, ako din as a member, napapamuran po ako kasi naghanap po talaga ako ng mga murang products and also quality. So disclaimer lang po, sa mga products natin, it's not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure and prevent any disease. So here are examples of our product. We have Super Reds, it's good for heart health, and look at the price po, it's just $18, okay? So we have also Super Reds. Yung Super Reds pala ay good for heart health. And then yung Super Greens, it's good for digestive health. Okay, it's just $18 po. And then we have, of course, organic coffee. Maganda po siya for energy and weight management. Kung hindi naman po kayo nagpapapayat, hindi po din po kayo papayat kasi yung body automatic po yan. Kung anong need ng body, mag-a-adjust lang po yan. So itong coffee, maganda po din ito sa brain functions kasi meron po siyang green tea at saka mushrooms. Okay, it's just $17. And here yung my favorite is yung plant-based protein. kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng magandang protein. Ang murang-mura po siya. It's just $22 here in Live Good. And of course, ito po, twice na sold out kasi ang dami pong testimonies dito sa Factor 4 po natin. It's just $18. And yeah, ito actually yung product na sabi nila, personal use lang ni Dr. Goodkin pero shinare po niya sa atin para lahat po tayo ay makabenefit po dyan. Okay, here are some products. Meron tayong skincare. Murang-mura po, it's $24 for two. So yung isa dyan, mga $14 each lang. So we have also collagen, it's just $27 here, and then you can get that. Type 1 and 3 po siya, so it's good for skin, hair, nails, and joints, and also for digestive system. Here we have also sleep patch. This is only $15 each. Ididikit lang po yan siya sa katawan for energy and sleep. And then, ito po yung bago natin, yung methylene blue. It's good for memory and also brain health and also positive mood. Marami pong naging testimony dito na maganda daw po siya. Every other day lang po ito. Okay, so we have also packs. Meron po tayong daily essential pack, lean body pack, ultimate pack. Pero ulitin ko po, you don't have to buy pack once you're a member. But if you want to get discount, ito sa mga pack, pwede po niyang piliin dyan. Okay? And also, we have also mga swags, okay? Meron din tayo. And later on, marami din pong darating ng mga products. It's 200 to 300 products in 2 to 3 years, sabi nga ni CEO dun sa Zoom po natin. Okay, so yung Live Good Pay Plan, i-discuss po ni Coach Dan. Income disclaimer lang po. Any income or earning statement are estimated of income potential. Your income in Live Good depends on your effort, hard work, and dedication in doing your business. Okay, Coach Dan, go ahead po. Take it away.
So, good morning po sa Amerika at good evening po dyan sa Pilipinas. So, meron po tayong 7 ways to earn dito po sa ating company. So, let me start with number 1. Ito pong tinatawag na weekly fast start unlimited $25. So, pag pumasok po tayo dito, ang ating pong i-invest sa business na ito is just $25, di po ba? At kung kayo po ay nag-sponsor ng isa, for example, yung pong kalahati po nun, which is $25, is gonna go up to you. So, makukuha po ninyo yon. In other words, kada merong isa na pumasok at kayo po ang nag-sponsor, $25 ng $25, unlimited po yon. Alright? Hindi po nagtatapos doon kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na multi-level po dyan. So ganito po yan. Pag kayo ay nakakuha na ng dalawa, okay, o naka-sponsor na po kayo ng dalawa, bronze na po kagad kayo. Pag bronze na kayo, meron po kayong tinatawag na ma-open po yung second level po ninyo na income. Meron pong additional 10%. Okay? So, pag kayo ay silver na, may additional po na third and fourth level income na tagpa 5%. At kung ikaw ay gold, may additional po na 3% sa iyong fifth at 2% on your sixth level respectively. At kung ikaw ay platinum, may additional na naman po na levels pababa, 2% and 1% sa inyo pong 7 and 8. And of course, syempre, pag ikaw ay diamond, yun po ang ating pong pinakaasam-asam lahat po tayo. Kasi pagka diamond na po, meron ka pang additional na tagwa 1% up to the 10th level. Alright, so yan po ang tinatawag na weekly unlimited po yan. So in other words, kahit ilan po yung magiging direct po ninyo. $25 po ng $25 po yan. Alright, so yan po ang unang kitaan natin. Pangalawa, ang tinatawag na hybrid matrix commission. Alright. Monthly po kasi nagbabayad po tayo ng monthly subscription. Or kung hindi man po ikaw ay monthly, ang ginagawa po natin dito ay pwede ka pong magbayad ng isang taon. Makakamura po kayo ng $20. Pag nagbayad po kayo ng isang taon, okay, hindi mo na inaalala yung inyo pong buwan-buwan na subscription kasi bayad nga po kayo isang taon. Ngayon, ito pong matrix po ay binubuo po ito ng system, hindi po tayo. Okay? It's either yung mga tao po natin sa baba or yung mga tao po natin sa taas. Alright, yung mga upline po natin na mga masisipag, nagkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na spillover. At tayo po, pag tayo nagbibuild ng ating mga team, kung saan-saan po sa lupalop ng mundo, ika nga, ay napupunta po ito sa tinatawag na matrix 2 by 15 or 2 by 12. Okay, ganito po yan. Uulitin ko lang po ha. Ito po ay nanggagaling sa subscription monthly. At ang binibigay po ng company is yung tinatawag na 25 cents per person. Kasi $10 po yan, di po ba, monthly. Kinukuhanan po yan ng 25 cents per person at dinidistribute po yan kung saan po sila nalagay sa ating pong matrix. Alright? So kung halimbawa, 2 lang, yung iyong tao, meron ka pong 25 cents times 2, meron kang 50 cents. Kung 4, ayan po, sa ating pong makikita po ninyo dyan, pag napuno po yan, sorry po, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, hanggang pamaub. Pag maano po yan, na nakarating po yan ng 13th level, 8,000 na po yan, 8,192. Ngayon, kailan po? Yan ang magandang tanong. Maghihintay po tayo kasi hindi po natin hawak yan. Yan po talaga parang kapalaran, ika nga, parang future hindi natin hawak. Pero ang hawak natin yung oras natin na mag-build. Yan, mas mabilis po siyang dadami kung siyempre nagbi-build po tayo at saka yung mga apply natin. Alright, pag napuno po yan, tingnan po nyo sa pinakababa, meron po kayong income na 2,047. Monthly na po yan. Bakit monthly? Kasi monthly po ang ating subscription, di po ba? So membership nga po tayo. Hindi na po yan bababa. Kung bababa mo lang, mga bahagya na lang po. Pero paakyat po yan ng paakyat. Pag kayo po ay bronze, tingnan po ninyo, na doble po siya, $4,000 and 95. Kung kayo ay silver, $4,000 po ulit. At kung kayo ay gold na, sa mga gold dito, congrats po kay Coach Bernie. Pag napuno po yung matrix ni Coach Bernie, meron po siyang $8,000. At isipin po ninyo yan. Monthly na po yan. Alright? Tapos pag platinum, $8,000 din po. At kung ikaw ay diamond, $16,000. Kaya po, it pays to build Live Good system. Bakit kamo? Kasi po, membership club po siya. Kada member po dito, nakukuhanan, uulitin ko po, 25 cents. At uulitin ko pa, ito po'y dapat hinihintay. Alright? So, kailangan po nating mag-build. Alright? Ngayon, ano po ang pangatlo na income? Ito po, it gets even better. Why? Kasi meron pong tinatawag na matching bonuses. Okay, ano po yung matching? Ganito po. Di po ba, sabi ko, pinakita ko po kanina na kapag napuno po ang inyong matrix, meron kang income na $2,000. Alright? Pagka halimbawa po, kahit na wala kang rank, okay? $2,000 po yan. Ngayon, ang company po, ima-match po niya 50% sa first level po ninyo or first generation. Alright? Magkano po? 50%. So lahat po ng first generation ninyo, lahat ng first level ninyo, kung napuno yung mga matrix nila, meron ka pong 50%. Let's say po, napuno po ang matrix niya, ang mangyayari po niyan, napuno na po, presumably yung inyong matrix, syempre napuno na nga yung sa baba mo, napuno na rin po yung sa inyo, meron kayong $2,000. Ngayon, pag napuno yung sa baba ninyo, sa first level po ninyo, sa first generation ninyo, ang mangyayari po, meron kang 50%. So meron kang additional na $1,000. Ngayon, ang tanong, kung masipag po kayo at marami po kayong na first level, meron kayong 50% doon. Paano kung 5 po yun? Di meron kayong $5,000. Monthly na po yan. Ang ganda, di po ba? Ngayon, paano kung meron ka pang second generation? Dahil naging silver na po kayo, meron ka pang additional na 10%. Matching bonus po yan. Kaya po dito sa Live Good, ang dami pong matching bonuses. Wala pong limit. Pag kayo po ay gold na, may additional pa po na 5% sa iyong third generation. Ang laki po niyan. Okay? At kung kayo ay platinum, may additional na 5% sa iyong fourth generation. At kung ikaw ay diamond, may additional na 3% sa inyo pong fifth generation. Kaya po, ang lalim na po yan at ang dami pong matching yan, hundreds na po na mga matching bonuses. At ang ganda-ganda po, monthly po ito binibigay ng company. Alright? So, ang ganda po ng sistema po na ginawa po ng ating company. Ngayon, ano po ang pang-apat na kitaan? Yung pong tinatawag na retail commission. Ito pong retail commission, this one pertains to product purchase. Sa inyo pong tinatawag na e-commerce site. Meron po tayong e-mall or e-commerce site. Okay? Ganito po kasi yan. Yung pong product na binili mo sa sarili mong account, syempre, walang income po ang inyo pong upline. At ikaw din. Why? Kasi naka-discount na nga po ikaw, 75% to 85%. Isipin po ninyo yan. Ngayon, ang mangyayari po, yung mga non-members na nag-shop po sa inyong site, doon po tayo mag-income. Bakit po? Kasi mayroong tinatawag na members price at saka non-members price. At saka yung difference noon, yun po ang paghahatian po natin ng ating company at saka po tayo. Kaya po tinawag na retail commission. Okay? So 50% po ang income natin. So for example, may nag-shop sa site po ninyo at ang income po natin, gross income po is $20. Example lang po ha. At $10 po ang sa LiveGood, $10 po sa atin. Alright. Tapos meron pong multi-level po dyan. Kung meron pong nag-shop na hindi nyo nakakilala, second level na po, 10%. Nag-shop po okay, meron po kayong second level po ninyo. Meron pong nag-shop sa kanya pong account, meron po kayong 10% doon. At kung kayo ay silver na, palalim po yan ng palalim sa third level at saka fourth level, meron kayong tagpa 5%. At kung kayo po ay gold na, palalim po yan ulit, meron po kayong 3% at saka 2% sa inyong fifth at saka sixth level. At kung of course, kung ikaw ay platinum, aabot na po yan hanggang 8th level, 2% and 1% respectively. And of course, pag kayo ay diamond, mayroon tagwa 1% up to the 10th level. Kaya ang ganda po, pag kayo po ay nagra-rank. Siyempre, kasi dumadami po at palalim po yan at hindi lang palalim, palapad pa. Yan po ang income natin sa ating tinatawag na retail commission. Alright? Ang pang-lima po ay tutulungan po tayo uli ni Coach Girlie.
Sige po. Ito po kadugtong ito ng yung retail profit po natin. So influencer bonus sa lahat po ng gustong mga influencer po sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Reels, 'di ba po marami po silang mga followers. So once ilalagay po ninyo yung link ninyo, and may possible po na may mag-shop doon sa shop link ninyo sa mga social media accounts po ninyo. At kung umabot po kayo ng minimum 2,500 na sales, magkaroon po kayo ng additional 10%. So, yung sinabi ni Coach Ta na 50%, magiging 60% po yan, plus 10% kasi siya. Okay, so habang lumalaki po yung income po, yung shop, retail profit ninyo, retail sales. So, $50,000, so nagiging 50% po yan. And then you will get 100% na retail bonus po doon sa shop niyo po. Kung ito po i-share ninyo is yung shop link. Okay? So, yung number 6 po is Diamond Bonus Pool. 2% po ng total sales of all membership and product sales. Dinidivide po sa lahat ng mga diamond. So, ngayon po yung mga diamond 30 plus, ay mga 30 na yata. Yeah, hindi na namin mabilang. Basta mga 30 and then sa Philippines, mga 10. 10 diamond at isang crown diamond. So, yung crown diamond din naman, magkakaroon po tayo dyan ng 0.50%. Sa total sales ng membership and product sales, dinidivide sa Crown Diamond. So for the meantime, dalawa lang po yung Crown Diamond natin. Okay, so how do we get paid here? In the USA, direct bank deposit po tayo sa USA. And then every Friday, magre-reflect na po sa bank account. So Friday ngayon, magre-reflect na po yung income ng LiveGood. Outside USA po, i-set up din po ninyo sa Global e-wallet powered by iPayout. Pero bank transfer din po siya. And also, pwede din po kayong bayaran into Bitcoin. So, commissions are paid every Thursday, midnight PST for yung shop sales, fast start, and influencer bonus. And then, meron din tayong monthly bonus, makukuha yung matrix bonus kung meron na po kayong matrix bonus, and then matching bonus, and diamond pool. Okay, so how to register as an affiliate and member? sign up po kayo sa sponsors link niyo, yung tour link. So panoorin niyo po yung 5-minute video, and then after that, i-log in po ninyo yung email ninyo at saka name para ma-reserve po kayo doon sa free spot. Okay, after that, papasok ulit kayo doon sa securemyposition.com. Lagi po natin tandaan ito kasi dyan po naliligaw yung mga customers natin. Guide po natin sila dyan. And then pay na po doon sa membership and affiliate fees using debit card, credit card. Basta meron pong MasterCard at Visa and Discover, papasok po yan. Okay? And also, ito po yung fast income natin. Once you have 2 referral this week, affiliates, so that's 2 times $25, magiging $50 po yan. Next week, papasok na po yan sa bank account ninyo. So kung marami po kayong nakuha this week, mabilis po yung fast start commission ninyo dito. So 10, that's $250. Okay, so skip na lang muna natin dito. Ito po yung mga diamonds natin, 10 na po sila. And then 1 crown diamond from the Philippines. Ito yung recent diamond at may 2 pang kulang dito. And also, ito po yung grand upline natin, si Christopher Hopkins here in the USA. Diamond din po siya. Under po siya ni Tim Miller. So si Tim Miller po siya po yung first crown diamond dito sa Live Good po. And then why join in Live Good? Of course, we have a global business kasi e-commerce po tayo. And then we have high quality products. And then we have a wholesale price ng mga product. And wala po tayong mga packages to buy here. And of course, sabi nga nila, 90-day money back guarantee po yung mga product. Balik nyo lang po yung kahit empty bottle, they will refund us. Okay? And no monthly auto ships of product, yun po maganda kasi sa ibang company, required po yun para magka-income po kayo. And then here po, weekly po yung income. Pag masipag po kayo, meron po talaga kayong weekly income na makukuha. So that's the $25. Kung masipag po kayo every week, papasok po yan right away. So here in our business for home, i-check po ninyo, i-type ninyo ang Live Good, makikita po ninyo ang growth ni Live Good, that's 500% estimated revenue difference. So malaki po yan kasi 9 months pa lang tayo pero we are already very fast growing company. So here is a good quote from Richard Branson. Sabi niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you're not sure you can do it, say yes and learn how to do it later. Kasi nga po, sayang po yung opportunity. Nakita po ninyo and then hindi niyo po ginagrab agad-agad. So, here, ipapakita po natin yung compensation plan. Okay.
Let's talk about the Live Good affiliate compensation plan. First, everyone has 2.
Okay, just a minute guys kasi mahina siya. Tsaka ang settings medyo hindi maganda.
Okay lang.
Genealogy trees. Live Good affiliate compensation plan. First, everyone has 2 genealogy trees. You have an enroller tree and a matrix tree. Your enroller tree is everyone you personally enroll, people they enroll, and so on. So everyone you personally enroll goes on your first level in the enroller tree. In the enroller tree, there's no limit as to how many people you can have on each level. So if you personally enroll 20 people, you have 20 people on the first level in your enroller tree. Now, your enroller tree is used to determine 3 things. 1, your rank. Only people in your enroller tree count toward rank. 2, your fast start bonuses. As you advance in rank, you'll get paid fast start bonuses on as many as 10 levels in your enroller tree. And 3, your matching bonuses. Your matrix tree includes everyone in your enroller tree and may or may not also include people who may be placed under you by spillover. Now, in the matrix, everyone only has 2 frontline positions. So once those 2 spots are filled, either by people you personally enroll or by spillover from people above you in the matrix, anyone else you enroll will fall under those people. Now, one unique thing we do to distribute spillover to help the maximum amount of people win is, unlike traditional matrix compensation plans that fill left to right, the Live Good matrix fills all the left positions in the level first and then all the rights. So if this is your second level, for example, and you enrolled 4 more people, Instead of them going 1, 2, 3, 4, and only helping these two people, we place them 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So all 4 people on this level get spillover before the next person starts filling the right sides. Now you'll get paid 2.5% of everyone's monthly membership fee in your entire matrix, regardless of who enrolled them, down 12 to 15 levels depending on your rank. Now, on top of getting paid on everyone's matrix, by far the biggest part of the compensation plan is the matching bonuses that allow you to match the entire matrix check of potentially everyone in your entire enroller tree team every single month. First, you'll match 50% of the matrix check of everyone you personally enroll, regardless of where they fall in the matrix. So if you enrolled this person, for example, not only are you already getting paid on them in your matrix and everyone below them, but you're also getting paid on them again because you match their matrix check. If they're making $1,000 a month in their matrix, you match that amount 50%. So you get a $500 match just on that person alone, on top of all of your other matrix commissions. If you enroll 10 people and each of them are earning $400 a month in the matrix, for example, you'd get a $200 match on each one of them. And that's just the beginning. As you achieve silver rank and above, you will qualify to match on even more people in your team. Matching bonuses are calculated by where people fall in your enroller tree, but they're paid on where people fall in your matrix. And I know that may have sounded confusing. I promise it'll make sense in a minute. Here's how it works. In your enroller tree, everyone you personally enroll starts a new enroller tree leg. So if you enroll 10 people, for example, you'd have 10 enroller tree legs. Generations of matching bonuses are calculated on each leg individually. Here's how that works. So let's say you achieve the rank of platinum. That means you qualify to get paid on 2 generations of silver ranked affiliates, 3 generations of gold ranked affiliates, and 4 generations of platinum ranked affiliates. So using our example of you having 10 enroller tree legs, let's just say in this first leg, the first person you enrolled, that person enrolled 2 people. One of those 2 people enrolled a few more. The other one enrolled a few. These people duplicated. Then boom, here on your 4th level, someone achieved the rank of gold. All of this volume down to and outside of this gold ranked member is your first generation of volume. So you would qualify for the first generation silver match 10%, first generation gold match 5%, and first generation platinum match 5%, for a total match of 20% on every single person outside of and down to the first gold ranked affiliate. Now, since a gold affiliate also qualifies for silver generations of matches, all of the volume under this gold affiliate is their first generation of silver and gold volume, which makes it your second generation silver and gold volume, but still your first generation platinum volume because there are no platinums between you and all of this volume. So let's look at how this translates into how you actually get paid these matching bonuses. Not only are each of these people in your enroller tree, they're also in your matrix, along with everyone else in your enroller tree, plus any spillover you may have received. So back to the confusing line above. Matching bonuses are calculated by where people fall in your enroller tree, but they're paid on where people fall in your matrix. Told you it makes sense. So you will get 20% of whatever all these people earn in their matrix every single month, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. There's literally no limit as to how many people you can match, how much you can earn in matching bonuses, or how many times you can get paid on the same volume. Wait, what? Yeah, check this out. Look at this person on your 14th level in your matrix. You're already getting paid on them in your matrix, plus you match this person's matrix that also has this person in it, this person's matrix who also has this person in it, this person's matrix, 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 and this person's matrix, which means you are literally getting paid on this one person 11 times. Yeah, the matching bonuses are huge. And as if that weren't enough, we also put another 2.5% of every dollar that comes into the entire company into bonus pools for diamonds and crown diamond leaders. This includes revenues from membership payments, both monthly and yearly, affiliate sign-up fees, and all product purchases. So if the company does 10 million in total revenue for the month, for example, that means $200,000 goes into the diamond pool and 50,000 goes into the crown diamond pool. So if there were 50 diamonds in the company, for example, each one would get a $4,000 monthly bonus on top of all other parts of the compensation plan. Yeah, it's big. So now that you know how you get paid, what's the strategy to build? Simple. Enroll people. That's it. The more people you enroll, the more duplication you'll see, the more matching bonuses you'll earn on, and the more money you'll make. You never know who's the next diamond in your organization or where they're going to come from. Just keep sharing. That's it. Let's rock.
That's it. Yung napakaganda po yung compensation plan. Nasa YouTube po yan at saka sa back office po ninyo makikita po doon sa affiliate compensation plan. Yung ano natin. Yeah, yung comp plan. So that's it po yung whole presentation po, and thank you guys for coming. Of course, we will recognize Coach Bernie. He ranked gold na po. So congratulations po Coach Bernie. Ang sipag-sipag
Thank you,
po
thank
kasi
you.
ni Coach Bernie.
Thank you, Pots.
Yeah.
Thank you po sa
Coach Bernie, go ahead po. Kayo na po ang magsalita ulit.
Salamat po sa lahat ng umattend po. Salamat din po sa mga partners ko na walang sawa po na tumatangkilik sa Live Good po. Congrats din po sa lahat po ng new members po natin na naghabol po ng cut-off kanina. Gusto ko lang pong i-recognize din po yung ating mga partners po, si Sir Sunny Timbas po na 6 direct po ang napasok kanina, naghabol.
Wow.
Kasi po si Sir Sunny. Yung ating pong sa US po, si partner Dante Raols, nandito rin sa Houston, Texas. Kahit na,
Salamat po, Sir Bernie.
yes, sir. Lahat po tayo dito, patungo po tayo sa pagiging diamond. Magsipag lang po tayo mag-direct at ito po ma-achieve po natin. Partner Bay, ito isa sa mga going diamond din to pagdating ng araw. Sisiw lang sa kanya to ang pagiging diamond. Partner Bay, yung si Coach Stan, actually may pinuntahan siya, kaya yung questions mo, pwede kong i-discuss sa kanya at saka kay si Coach Gerdy na lang para makausap si Coach Stan.
Opo.
Yung pong kasing warehouse, pag na-confirm na natin na talagang si Coach Stan po, nagpadala na po siya ng email kay Dr. Goodkin. Pag-uusapan po yung kanyang proposal na pinasa po niya yung email na yon. Pag talagang maganda na po, tayo una po ang makakaalam po about sa talagang tayo na mag-handle ng warehouse sa ating coach na po yan kay Coach Stan. Lahat po
magdasal po natin yan.
Yeah. Lahat po tayo dito sa Live Good po sa ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy lang po. Mamayang gabi po, actually may announcement din po yung ating CEO. Kung kaya po, mamayang gabi, alas 12. Pwede po kayo makinig sa Zoom meeting, sa updates po, an announcement. Para malaman po natin kung ano po yung mga updates mamaya. Dito po kasi sa Live Good, alam nyo, ang sikreto lang po talaga para po maging matatag po yung network natin o yung ating grupo. Lagi na po tayong mag-follow up sa kanila. At the same time, maghanap po tayo lagi ng 2 direct. Every day, magkausap po tayo ng mga tao, magpasa po tayo ng ating link. Imposible po na wala po tayong makukuha na tao. Ako po, kahit na ma-reject po ako araw-araw, hindi po ako tumitigil na magipag-usap. Kahit sabi mong patayan mo ako ng phone, okay lang. Hindi naman po ako yung na-reject mo. Yung opportunity na para po na mabago po ang buhay natin. Kasi po ako, meron po akong purpose po na kaya ako ginagawa to. Alam naman po natin, hindi na po tayo bata. Siyempre, ang future po natin, kahit na stable na po yung mga anak natin, hindi po natin masasabi yung panahon na pagka nagkaasawa sila, nagkapamilya sila, tayo naman nagkakaedad. Minsan kasi, maiiyak kang lumapit sa mga anak mo na humingi ng pera, lalo na kung ikaw nakaranas ka ng malaking income, malaking kinikita. Pagdating ng araw, siyempre, kung wala ka ng trabaho, wala ka ng income, pwedeng mangyari na lumapit ka. Kaya lang, siyempre, hindi mo maiwasan, baka yung may pamilya na yung anak mo, siyempre, hindi mo alam kung masungit o yung napangasawa. Kaya dito po sa Live Good, habang bata po kayo, pwede niyo pong i-workout ito na pagdating ng araw, para kang nagpe-pensyon. Yung pension mo na kahit yung $2,047, malaking bagay na po yan. Pagdating ng ikaw win-workout mo to ng 5 years na pwede kang kumita ng $2,000 a month, nasa 100,000 pesos po yan. Hindi po to hindi po ito yung tinatawag natin scam na kasi karamihan po sa sinasabi nila, bakit tandit lang ng puhunan mo? Ang laki ng pwedeng kitain. Paghihirapan po natin yan. Kung gusto niyo po ng kumita ng malaki, paghirapan po natin. Nagawa nga po natin magtrabaho pagkatapos natin ng college ng ilang taon. Nag-work kayo sa government, sa private company na ang sahod po natin, hindi naman po natin masasabi na sahod po na pwedeng makabuhay ng pamilya. Yung iba, di ba? Daming kaltas pa dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito po, trabahuin lang po natin to. Pwede po natin malagpasan ang income po ng mga empleyado, mga managers po dito sa simpleng lang po, gawain na maghanap lang tayo ng dalawa na yung dalawa na yan, sabi nga po sa system, di ba? Dalawa lang ang kunin mo, turuan mo sila na kumuha ng dalawa, yung matrix mo na 2x12 na pwede kang kumita ng 2,047. Paano kung marami pa po kayong direct? Dito po, ang sekreto, kailangan marami kang direct para ma-enjoy mo yung matching bonus at mabilis po kayong mag-rank. Ako po, nagulat nga ako kanina, nakita ko parang hindi ako na-reach ko na pala yung gold. Hindi ko po
Yeah.
tinitingnan yung ranking Hindi ko
Mm-mm.
tinitingnan, nagulat na lang ako do sa aking rank ko. Gold na pala ako. Kasi hindi ko po hindi ako tumitigil sa pagdidirect at hindi ako tumitigil sa pag-a-assist po sa ating mga members na para sila matuto rin po dito sa Live Good. Magugulat kayo kasi abang tumutulong po kayo sa tao, na mo-motivate po sila na gawin din ng business kasi nakikita nila pag ikaw ang tao po na tumutulong, sila rin po naeengganyo sila na i-workout yung business kasi pag hindi nyo po tinulungan yung mga walang alam po, mawawala po yan ng gana. Kaya kailangan nyo po talaga na turuan yung mga bago at the same time po pag naturuan niya, mabilis na po nilang gawin itong business. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa po na nasa bahay lang ako, maghapon, assist lang ako sa mga tao natin kahit hindi ko na po sila kakilala, yung mga direct na po ng direct ko. Ako pa rin po willing pong tumulong, i-message niyo lang ako, i-guide ko po kayo paano gawin ng sistema po ng Live Good. Kasi po, ang sarap po na yung makatulong ka na ma-improve yung buhay ng isang tao po dito sa Live Good. Madami po tayong pamilya na matutulungan po. Basta gawin lang natin, wag lang po tayong mahiya na i-share yung ating tour link. Sabi nga po mas maganda po yung na-share mo, nasabi mo yung pakay mo about dito sa Live Good kaysa sa hindi mo siya kinausap at hindi mo na-inform yung tao. Mas magkaano ka dito ang tawag dito, manghihinayang ka pagdating ng araw na yung tao na dapat mong hindi mo nakausap ng iba, yun ang pwede pong maging diamond pagdating ng araw. Di po ba? Huwag kayong mahiya po na i-share to. Hindi po nakakahiya ang pag-share ng Live Good kasi po napakaganda po. Hindi kayo mapapahiya. Dapat lang yung aralin paano po yung pag-share nyo sa kanila. Kailangan po matuto po kayo ng tamang approach po. Ito pong Live Good Zoom meeting natin. Isa po itong way para makakuha kayo ng idea paano po nyo i-approach yung tao, paano nyo po gawin yung business. Kasi po kung wala po kayong alam, kahit matagal na kayo dito sa business ng Live Good, hindi po mag-grow yung network nyo o yung group nyo. Kasi hindi nyo kayang ipaliwanag po, may mga tanong po na hindi nyo kayang i-depensa, kaya mawawala po sa inyo yung tao. Kaya nga sabi ko po, ako po na-reach ko po itong ganitong rank dahil po tinulungan ako ng mga coaches natin mapaliwanag na maayos at saka yung panunood ko po ng YouTube video ng mga successful po dito sa Live Good. Yun po isa pong way. Paulit-ulit lang nyo po panoorin yung mga YouTube video nila. Kung ngayon, pag napanood nyo na po yan, makikita nyo na po paano yung mga techniques ng pagsasalita, paano po yung pag-share. Ganun lang po. Kung gusto nyo po mapabilis yung group po na lumaki po dito sa Live Good. Gusto ko po sanang gusto kong mag-share din si Coach Bay eh. Ito, napakagaling na speaker din to kasi idol ko rin to eh. Magaling to pagdating sa motivation eh. Coach Bay, gusto kong
Today,
mag-share ka ng para sa idea dito sa Live Good. Coach
Aha.
Bay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening po sa ating lahat. Una, I would like to congratulate Coach Bernie for reaching achieving a gold rank.
Thank you,
So,
Coach.
Woo!
congratulations, partner. And
Thank you, Coach.
lahat po tayo magiging gold at magiging diamond. Kaya lahat po ng hindi pa nag-subscribe or nag-join, ito na po yung opportunity na nating lahat na sa napakaganda, napakagaling na company na sinamahan natin. Kami po ni Coach Bernie ay siguro more than 20 years na yata. I think mid-90s kami nagkakilala. Pero marami din po kami nagsamahan. Pero ako lang po ang hindi nagsasucceed. Dahil meron po talaga ako ibang opportunity. Pero dito po, ipinapangako ko po sa inyo, sama-sama po tayo. Lahat po tayo, walang may iwan.
Yeah.
Andyan po sila Coach Gurley, si Coach Stan. Kita nyo po, hindi po sila nagsasawa. Gabi-gabi, araw-araw, talagang open sila to share kung ano yung kanilang pwedeng mai-contribute. Hindi po ito pang personal gain. Kasi nga po dito, pantay-pantay tayo, lahat tayo makakarating doon sa pinakamataas at hindi po kayo mapapahiya doon sa inyong mga ini-invite na tayo ay pwede nating i-compare yung ating company, ating compensation. Wala pa pong ganito. Meron nga po, sabi nga, gumagaya, totoo po yun. Pero malayo pa rin po eh. Hindi mo pa rin pwedeng i-compare. Basta sa akin po, katulad po, kasama natin dito si Coach Sunny Timbas, kita nyo po, 6. Ano pa po yan? Ako po, makakasigurado ako na magda-diamond dyan si Sunny kasi maganda po ang ang napaka-consistent po niyan. So, talaga pong ini-aim din po niya at siya po ay nagpaplano na rin to retire sa kanyang work. So, ito na po yung kanyang dito na po siya magpo-focus. So I'm sure, good luck partner Sunny at saka lahat po sa atin dito. Gawin po natin sigurong inspirasyon si Coach Bernie para at least marating po natin yung narating na niya ngayon, and yun nga po, gold malapit na siya. So 2-step na lang at diamond na siya. So congratulations again, and sana po tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Number 1 po talaga rule ay yung prospecting. Huwag po tayong mawawalan. Yung 10 prospect a day. Napakadali po talagang tumaas ng rank natin. So again, thank you very much. Good evening and good morning po dyan sa Amerika.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Coach,
Mate Day.
Coach, tawagan natin si Coach Sunny Timbas, isa sa mga malupit na leader natin na nagpasok ng 6 na direct this week.
Wow,
Coach
congratulations po.
Sunny. Yeah, Coach Sunny.
Yan.
Sensya kayo, nasa dagat ako ngayon eh. Nasa Pagudpod. Oo. Actually, ang ginawa ko, nag-start lang ako 1 week after ako nag-member. Kasi medyo busy kasi nag-attend ako ng meeting sa Manila, ExCom. So nakapag-focus lang ako when I was arrived dito sa Tuguegarao last 7/16. So 16, nakadirect na ako ng isa until, actually meron pa tong 3 eh. Hindi pa nga pasok yung mga bayad nila kanina. Kasi inaano ako eh. Oo. Actually, ang prospect ko talaga nasa 200 na.
Wow.
Binabalikan ko lang lahat sila. So, hindi ko pa nakalahati yung kasi ang area ko po kasi North Luzon. So nagfo-focus pala ako dito sa Tuguegarao. Then ang mga nakuha ko member may Laguna, may Isabela, iba-iba. Hindi lahat Tuguegarao. Kinuha ko yung setting na hindi lahat pare-parehas ng Tuguegarao, pare-parehas ng trabaho. Iba-iba may Manila. Actually may abroad pa ako kaso lang hindi pa nag-day off daw eh. So sa akin, I learned from my partner, my mate. Classmate ko si ESB kasi sa Rotary eh. And I learned from him, marami. At lahat ng sinasabi niya, ginagawa ko. Actually, nung nag-share siya sa akin, galing ako ng Cabanatuan, that is September 8. Then while pauwi kami, siyempre may driver naman ako. So nanonood ako, pas kinabukasan, tinawagan ako. Nag-member na ako agad without hesitation kasi alam ko naman hindi naman ako lolokohin yung kasama kong rotaryo. So ganun ako sa Live Good, and then pinag-aralan ko muna. Then after a week, dila ako nag-focus. So 1 week ako nagtrabaho this day. So I hope Coach Bernie and Coach Bay and Ma'am Girly, i-assist nyo ako kasi actually kasi nasa executive position ako sa company kaya medyo palagi akong busy. Kulang yung time ko para pag-aralan lahat to, pero marami akong contact, marami akong pwedeng i-refer at may tiwala naman sila sa akin kasi hindi ko pwede sila lokohin dahil sa trabaho ko. So yun ang sinasabi ko. Yung 3,000 nyo or $140, yung mukha ko nang titignan nyo, hindi naman ako mapapaya sa inyo. So yun yung yun yung pinaninindigan ko sa kanila na sumunod sila sa akin dahil itong company nito, itong mga coaches ng mga ito ay katulad yung matatag at hindi nang loloko sa kapwa. So yun lang po ang binapaano ko, and I hope that matulungan nyo pa ako. Gusto kong maging silver next week. So yun yung target ko.
Lang po yan.
Yun po yung gagawin ko, and I hope classmate and Coach Bay nandiyan ka palagi kasi actually nahihirapan ako para makuha ko lang yung bayad nila. Ako na mismo pupunta sa Robinson. Kahit wala sila, malayo sila. Actually yung isa makabayad kanina, taga Ilocos Sur. Ayaw kumuha ko ng go time niya, gawa ko ng go time niya sa Tuguegarao. Kayo ng alauna na. Ayaw alas 12. Ayaw pa rin pumasok na 3 times. Saka yung isang manager ko ganun din, kaya nag-travel ako dito sa Pagudpod. So ko dito kasi may kaming activity dito. Dito naman ako magko-court sa mga tao makikita ko dito. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat dahil nilapit nyo sa akin yung Live Good, Mate Day, and sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations.
And I hope magiging successful po tayo lahat dito. Sana nagtiwala naman sa akin yung mga kakilala ko, mga managers ko, and lahat. I always there to lend my helping hand whatever it takes. Pagtulungan natin kasi ito'y para sa atin. Thank you very much and good evening once again.
Thank you po for sharing,
Thank you,
Coach Sonny. Yeah. Okay. Coach Bernie, ano pa yung mga updates? So later po, meron po tayong Zoom from the corporate. So that's 12 midnight lang po sa inyo. But if you can't join, meron po tayong recording. So balikan nyo lang po dun sa YouTube natin kasi nandun naman po lahat yung mga recording po natin ng mga live Zooms po. So
nawala si Coach Dante from Houston, Texas. Tatawagin
baka
ko
may
sana.
work na po siya.
Oo, may work siya. Bali, isa siyang nurse sa Houston, Texas. This week din, naka-5 direct siya. Ginawa niya to habang nag-work din siya sa Houston, Texas Hospital. Kaya masipag din si Sir Dante. Nandito yung isa sa mga partner niya, si Sir Josentino. Nag-out siya kasi may pasok pa yata siya eh.
Mm-mm.
Opo, kung may mga tanong po kayo, mga partners dito, pwede nyo po kaming, para kung may mga,
Coach Bernie,
yes po. Yes, Coach.
may I interrupt?
Yes, sige.
Gusto ko lang i-shout out yung aking isang warehouse manager ng 7-Eleven, si Tesgan, na kanina lang po ay nag-register siya. Dapat apat yung lahat ang i-register ay nagka-problema sa pag-entry. I'm sure na within the week ay makakapasok na yung additional 3. Medyo nahirapan lang talaga. So, good luck, Tess. Si Tess Gan po nandyan, yung ating warehouse manager. At malaki rin po yan. Malaki rin po ang network niyan. So, good luck and congratulations.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
si Ma'am Tess. Yes, Ma'am Tess.
Congratulations po.
Congratulations. Kasi si Ma'am Tess kanina, tumawag siya, nag-message. Sabi ko, hahabol siya sa cut-off dahil doon sa go time niya. Ma'am Tess, pwede ka mag-share ng konti about dito, paano ka na-invite, paano mo nalalaman itong Live Good, Ma'am Tess?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nasa Pilipinas and good morning sa mga nasa USA. Ito po ay dahil sa invitation ng aking karotaryo din na si ESB tawag namin sa kanya because he was a former executive secretary ng district namin po. So, sinabi niya sa akin na ganyan, may sinalihan siya, yung Live Good nga, and try ko kung ano ba ang magiging namin. So, without any hesitation naman, kasi siyempre sabi rin po nung isa nagsalita kanina na from Tugigaraw po ba yun, na Rotarian din, wala nang hesitation, basta Rotarian din ang nag-invite because doon sa tiwala po ba. Kasi sama-sama naman kami, so kakilala kami. So yun. Hindi na po ako nagdalawang isip at nag-browse na lang ako sa website and doon sa yun na nga, yung countdown ng registration kanina.
Yeah.
So habol ko po talaga yun. Hindi pala pwede yung kagabi pa po ako kasi re-register. Kaso laging error, yun pala hindi po pala pwede yung BPI.
Yeah, hindi pwede.
Banking.
Hindi pwede yung BPI card. Okay.
Yes, hindi siya pwede.
Take note po natin yan.
Ng go time, buti umabol pa ako ilang minutes na lang. So nakapasok naman.
So, na po, nagre-register pa siya last night. Kaso, yung BPI, hindi ko rin alam. Ganun talaga.
Actually, ang hindi allowed na BPI and Land Bank, hindi sila allowed sa Live Good.
Hindi pala pwede. Opo.
Yes.
So yun, kaya po pala error.
Opo.
So yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you po for
Salamat.
sharing. Okay.
Yes. Sino po po? Okay.
Yeah.
Coach, Gary, update kung mayroon kang update para
Actually,
malaman
hindi ako nakapag-listen sa Zoom kahapon. Mamaya i-ano ko. So far wala pa naman, at saka yung kay Scott, yung update ng system niya. So dapat po alamin po natin yung Power Team 5 na system. Meron po tayong training site. Buksan po ninyo yon kasi nandun po yung step by step para hindi po kayo maligaw, and then meron din mga short videos doon ng mga how to transfer sa credit wallet, mga ganon. So, importante po yon, at dapat lahat po ang makapag-login po doon at makagawa na po kayo ng Power Team 5 system po ninyo para hindi po kayo mahirapan sa marketing. At lang po, reminder, yung sa tour link natin, wag lang pong damihan yung post, baka ma-block po yung ninyo, yung tour link po ninyo. So, mga 5 to 10 a day, okay na po yan ang post sa Facebook, yung sa timeline. Wag lang pong masyadong marami kasi baka ma-block po. Kasi once na-block po yan, hindi na po yan talaga mabubuksan. Hindi ko alam paano yan mag-email yata sa company, but kasi system yan yung meron po yung autoresponder. So iniingat-ingatan nila na hindi dapat maging spam yung link po ninyo. So, yun po ang remedy, kaya meron po tayong Power Team 5 na link. Yun, unlimited po yun. Kahit ilang post nyo ng Power Team 5 na link, wala pong kuwan doon, problema. Kasi ano yun private website na pinagawa ni apply natin na si Scott para matulungan po tayo sa marketing. At complete na po yun. If you can browse yung Power Team 5 ninyo, complete na po yun. Nandun na po yung tour link natin kung saan sila magre-register, tapos kung bayad po sila sa Secure My Position, nakalink na po doon. So may step 1, step 2, and then step 3. So susundin lang po nila doon. At meron pong short video. Kaya napakadali po yun kung i-share po ninyo at matutunan po ninyo. So yun lang po. Salamat po sa pagdalo tonight. Meron po tayong mga first timers. Thank you for joining us po. And then tomorrow, tomorrow Saturday, meron din po tayo 8:30 in the Philippines. And 5:30 po dito sa USA. Thanks everyone for joining.
Coach, shoutout lang natin yung lahat ng umaten sa ngayon na natira.
Sige po.
Ang ating si Miss Alma Kawasaki ng Japan. Thank you sa Ma'am Anisi, si Coach Bay, si Sir Joe Centeno, si Ma'am Josefa Fernandez, si Sir Pedro Basbas, si Sir Roland de la Cruz, si Sir Sunny Timbas, si Ma'am Tarsila, si Ma'am Tess Gan, si Ma'am Bina Martin, si Sir Ray Bagamundo ng Sorsogon Bicol, some user and si Ma'am Leonidas Canedo, our bago po natin bronze si Ma'am Leonidas Canedo. Thank you po sa gabing ito at sa umaga sa US. Salamat po sa lahat ng umaten po ngayon. Sana po
Thank you
bukas.
po. See you tomorrow.
Sana po bukas mag-invite po kayo ng mga new members nyo o yung mga guests nyo para po hindi na po kayo mahirapan mag-explain din. Dito lang po mapapaliwanag na sila ng maayos po. Thank you po.
Yeah, thank you po.
Good night.
And then sa mga gustong manood sa Zoom later, just watch po. Meron po tayo live. Okay?
Yeah, 12 o'clock, no?
Yeah. 12 midnight po sa inyo.
12 midnight.
12 midnight. That's 9 o'clock here in the USA, 9 a.m. PST. Okay, good night everyone and good morning
Yeah.
po sa USA. See you po bukas. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Alright,
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.